All right, day 6 of our project build. We've got the belly out of the boat, we've got the transom all knocked out, and today we're just going to be sanding down all of our rib slots. We're going to be putting new composite material in so that the boat's nice and sturdy. We've got our marine plywood already in, so we're going to redo the transom, floor, and all of the underpinnings of the dash and nose of the boat. So let's get to sanding. It's going to be a messy one, so we're just going to time lapse this next bit. I'm sure grinding on a boat is not that interesting, so we'll see you on the other side. And we have reached the end of day 6. In fact, we're actually at the start of day 7, but it had started raining last night and I was not able to finish the videoing. Had to run inside while the rain happened. As you can see, there's a bit of water in the boat. That's no problem. We're really just cleaning it anyways, so this helps clean out any of the dust from yesterday. But a closer inspection, you'll see we got the flooring completely removed, right down to the edge of the boat, kind of sanded back the matting a little. We left our center rib in, mainly because we want a little bit of stiffness out of the boat so we don't distort it while we're putting in the new ribs. And then we'll put the outer 4, then remove the center, and rinse and repeat. Back of the boat, we've got all of the edging cleared. We got our lift blocks cleared from where they had built the boat. That's what was right here, one on each side. And then we got our transom mocked up in there. We'll be doing some thickened epoxy around the edges to make sure we get clear adhesion all the way around. Now I sanded out a bunch of material here, which is why the void is here. There was actually a bunch of material that I kicked back, so they must have done a similar thing to what I did here when they put it together. But it should come out great. We're going to tip the boat up on end for doing the rear transom, the first piece. Because that transom needs a ton of weight on it, what we'll do is we'll tip the boat up and we'll just load it with a ton of weight overnight to make sure we get clean adhesion from the first piece of the transom to the back. But we have to do fiberglassing on all the holes of the transom first. We will be reusing some of the mounting holes. The tilt system on the 70 is actually the same that was on here before, so my guess is the holes will line up. But we're still going to re-drill everything all the same. So I'm going to re-glass and mark where they were, and then if we need to re-drill the same holes out again, that's fine, but a lot of them are tore out, so I want to make sure we're doing clean fresh fiberglass. But stay tuned for the next episode. There'll be tons more to see. We're going to be doing the nose of the boat next episode, so we're going to do all of the underpinnings of wood on the bow of the boat. But we'll see you next time.